Hi, I'm Russ Lopez with the California Lottery. Check this out. Big winnings headed your way. Okay, so now we've started the claims process. Today, we'll focus on all the innocent mistakes you can make that will delay your prize payments. Okay, you've signed your ticket with one name. You've made photocopies of your claim form and the front and back of your ticket, and you provided us the originals. You should know that every box, every number, every piece of information on the claim form must be properly filled out.
Anything that's in a ticket, if it's altered in any way, prize payments, the technicians who are actually keying the tickets in, they flag it, and so it has to immediately come to security. Once I receive the tickets, I have to document what I think is wrong with the ticket and then examine the ticket.
Our Security and Law Enforcement Division now enters the picture and begins to investigate any irregularities. Each problem we find will only prolong the process and your payment. For you lucky ones who win big, that's more than $350,000. Our security team will contact you for an interview. This isn't meant to intimidate you. Rather, it's to protect your claim and ensure you are the rightful owner. You'd be surprised what some people do to try and cheat the system. If your claim has errors, the California Lottery is not set up to make any corrections to your claim by unsecured email. So all contact with you regarding corrections must be done by mail, adding weeks to the process.
Once we've received them here, the district office will no longer really be able to answer questions on your claim.
Think about it. If that was the case, anybody could call or visit us on your behalf and potentially steal your money. We must ensure that the legal winner of the prize is the person who owns the winning ticket. It's all to protect you and your winnings. We do our best to move the process along. That's why we encourage you to visit one of our district offices early on in the process to avoid any potential problems along the way. You can find a list of district offices on our website. The State Controller's Office audits all problem claims to ensure we are following proper procedures. Once we get the green light, we send all the information to the State Controller, who can then cut you a check and send it directly to your home or to our district offices for pickup.
If a winner chooses the option to have their check sent to a district office and they don't feel comfortable with taking that check to the bank themselves, then they have an option for one of our investigators to accompany them.
Lastly, check out our Winner's Handbook for some great tips on what you should consider doing once you win a big jackpot. You can find the handbook on our website under the Win tab. The California Lottery's main goal is to supplement public education funding. When you win, our schools win. Thank you for your business. This is your California Lottery News.